Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a lightning McQueen themed birthday cake for a 5-year-old boy. This is a very simple but thoughtful process we're going through to achieve this beauty you are seeing here. So stay tuned and let me walk you through everything that was done to achieve this beautiful cake. These are the tools and ingredients you are using for today's Lightning McQueen birthday cake. So we have buttercream frosting here, which is my white buttercream frosting, and then we've colored some in the shade aqua blue. We have my 8-inch vanilla cake layers, which are 2 in all. We'll also be using some dark chocolate spread, my homemade fondant in the shade red, my no sugar milk and vanilla syrup. Then we move on to the usage of the cartoon characters, which includes the Lightning McQueen cartoon character, as well as the rest of the tools and ingredients we'll need to complete this cake. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Picking up the cakes on the serving tray, removing them from the Ziploc bag and the clear film wrap style on it. Then we start assembling our cake with the cake board on the turntable. So we clean it, add some frosting to it, spread it out nicely. Then we place on the first cake layer. After placing on the first cake layer, we'll add some syrup to it. Then we pipe on the frost, spread it out nicely, spread or drizzle some of the chocolate spread on it, and then we add the second cake layer. We repeat the same process for the second cake layer. We trim off the edges, the top, and any unwanted parts to help the cake look presentable after all the coverings of the frosting are applied to it. We'll start crumb-coating the cake with our blue frosting so that when we add the next color, it doesn't look too awkward or seeps through it when the smoothing out process is done. Now we'll freeze the crumb-coated cake for 15 to 30 minutes. After it has been frozen and picked out of the fridge, we move on to the addition of the next shade of frosting. I added a bit of the blue gel food coloring to the previous one we used for the crumb coating because it looked too light to me. I wanted a defined color. So this is what we are using now. We cover it nicely, smoothing it out with the cake comb we chose today. Pick off any excesses of the frosting and then we level the top and then we make a spiral movement on the top. This is my favorite design for my cakes and it gives them a beautiful look at the top. Now we move on to the addition of the fondant cutouts. So we are going to write on the bottom with the fondant Hanif at 5. That is the name of the birthday boy we are making the cake for. Then we'll continue to place on the cartoon characters, starting with the birthday inscription in front of the cake right above the fondant cutouts. Then we place on the Lightning McQueen character. We add the stop sign, the traffic lights, and the rest of the cartoon characters. Now we are going to pipe red rosettes on the side and shelly borders in between. We use that to cover one side of the cake. Then we add some stars all around. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.